Error in the hydraulic test phase. This is a big problem to those who does not understand it. But to those who understand this error, it's not a problem at all. So we are going to be talking about it. Right now, we'll show you the area which you need to check to solve this problem. You want to solve this problem? There are areas you need to check. Number one is the big bag phase one, which is the hydraulic. The hydraulic is of two phases, is of two parts. The first part is the big bag and the concentrate part, while the other part is at the back of the machine. So I'm going to be showing you. This is the first part, which is this. This is the first part. In this first part, you are going to be checking filters. These filters, you check this filter, check the UF filter. This is the UF filter. You are going to check it. You are going to check it. The flow pump and the gas pump. We have the pump 1 and 2. You have to check them if they are working properly. You have to check them if they are working properly. Then the O-ring. The O-ring, which is the filter 1, filter 2, and the O-ring is underneath. The O-ring is under the filters. So you have to remove the O-ring, check it, wash it, clean it, fix it back, check your filters if they are okay, check the O-ring of the dialyzer coupler. You have to check them. So these are the area I'm going to check. If the error still persists, then I am going to the back of the machine. I will open the back and check valve 20, valve 33, filter that's FO7, which is that's filters. Those are filters. FO8, FO12, FO16. These are filters which I'm going to check. Valve, the most likely valve that will give this issue also is valve 20, valve 33. These are the most likely valve to check. That's if the problem still persists. When I finish with the filters in the front and the flow pump and the problem persists, then that is when I will now go back and check those valves. Valve 20, valve 33. That is if the problem persists. Then, after then, if the problem still persists, then I'm going to check the membrane pump. I'm going to check the membrane pump. The problem persists. The problem persists, I'm going to check the membrane pump. So, the membrane pump is the last area to check. But that is for me. For you, you can check the membrane pump first. You can check the membrane pump first because it's telling you that there is a problem in the hydraulic unit. And the best place to check is that membrane pump. Take the two membrane pumps, open them, do service on them, it will be fine. But what about after servicing the membrane pump and yet it still do not come up? So That is the reason why I'm now giving you some possible area which you need to check to solve this problem. Those possible areas are the filters: FO7, FO8, FO10, FO12, FO14, FO16, FO17, I mean F17, F12, F14, then F10, FO7, FO6, FO8. You have to check all these filters. You have to check these filters very well. You have to flush them because there is likely blockage. If it's not membrane, there is likely blockage. So these are the possible area. Then if after all these ones, it still do not go, then you have to clean the O-ring, remove your filter. But for this, it's not filter. This is not filter. The O-ring, even the O-ring is okay. But there are possibilities whereby yours might be O-ring. Just check the O-ring, change it, then check your membrane. But if the problem persists, then you can now go to all the filters from FO1, FO2, FO down to 16, 17, then check valve 20, which is 20, and valve 33. So these are the possible area. With all this, the problem will solve. With all this, is in 3 places: filter, valve, membrane. Filter, valve, membrane. These are the. So I will have to need my card to go into the service mode. I will need a card to go into the service mode. But before then, I want to clean all these, the filters, everything, make sure they are okay. Then before going to the service mode for calibration, then the problem is solved. But remember, when you are working on this problem, you must make sure that you have the card with you to calibrate this machine when you are done. Just be rest assured you will need it. Thank you.